Namaste, welcome to our Fitness Medicare channel. Today's our discussion about the thorax muscle. The thoracic muscle. Today we discuss only the two thoracic muscle. One internal intercostal and one external intercostal. Intercostal muscles are in between the ribs. The external intercostal muscle, its origin, external intercostal muscle's origin, 11 in number of each ribs. Each arise from lower border of ribs above, extend from tubercle of ribs behind to costocordial junction in front where it is replaced by external intercostal membrane. This is the insertion part, upper border of rib below. The internal intercostal, 11 in number of each side, each arise from floor of costal groove and corresponding costal cartilage of above rib. Attachment starts anteriorly at the sternum in the space between true ribs and the anterior end of the cartilage of false ribs and extend back as far as angle of the rib where it is replaced in internal intercostal membrane. Its insertion, inner lip of upper border of rib border. These two muscles, origin and insertion, and the nerve supply of both of these muscles. Nerve supply of both of these muscles is corresponding intercostal nerves. So that if we study it is properly what is our insertion, what is our origin of muscles, then we can do any type of exercises. Then we extend our chest. When the function of intercostal, external intercostal and internal intercostal is very much valuable, then this type of any type of part, when I extend, when I flex our chest, the intercostal muscle is very much important for us. After next day, I will discuss about the action of this muscle. And you please ready to do it. It is possible for you to learn it properly. Then you can contact our mobile number printed onto the video and contact with us for the courses of physiotherapy, yoga therapy, massage therapy, and any more therapies surroundings with anatomy, physiology, and many more. Lot of thanks to you. Thank you.